Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the antenna and cables are secure so signal quality stays high. Power the base, rover, and machine display. Wait until the system boots and an RTK or usable fix is shown. Next, load the project file and choose the correct datum because the excavator will follow those coordinates precisely. Once done, check that the design surface and any guide strings imported correctly, since errors here propagate to every bucket swing and will cost time to fix later. Now you calibrate the machine. Measure and enter the bucket offset and tool length so the software knows where the cutting edge actually is. Then perform alignment. Either pick a surveyed control point or use the system auto-align routine to lock machine coordinates to the project grid. Configure cut and fill tolerances and slope constraints to match design intent and site safety. Make sure operator display layers are arranged so you see target, depth, and warnings simultaneously. That simple clarity speeds each pass. As you cut, use the display's depth and slope guidance to make smooth, proportional digs and maintain design grade. This prevents overcut and rework. Periodically cross-check a few stakes or laser readings to validate GPS-derived elevations and make adjustments if you spot drift. If accuracy drops, stop and check GNSS signal quality, antenna connections, and base receiver health. Reconnect or relocate the base if multipath or obstructions are present. Make sure to recalibrate offsets when repairs or heavy impacts occur so accuracy stays reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.